Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered, how did all of this begin?
Our universe started with the Big Bang, an explosion not in space, but
This moment marked the birth of our universe. But don't imagine an explosion in space, it was an explosion of space.
In the very beginning, everything was packed into a tiny, incredibly hot and dense point.
Then it began to expand rapidly. As the universe expanded, it began to cool down. Within minutes, a few 100,000 years later, these particles joined together to form the first atoms, mostly hydrogen and helium. For millions of years, the universe was dark. No stars, no galaxies, just clouds of gas slowly moving through space. Then gravity got to work. Gravity pulled gas together into massive clouds. These clouds became hotter and denser until ignition,
the thrust dispersion. Those elements are spited these parallels.
over billions of years, stars grouped together to form galaxies. One of those galaxies is our home, the Milky Way. A cloud of gas and dust to form our sun. Inside these stars, nuclear fusion created light and heavier elements like carbon and oxygen. When massive stars exploded in powerful supernovas, those elements would later become planets. So the story of the universe isn't finished, still being written. From a tiny point to billions of galaxies, from stardust to life, the universe is a story 13.8 billion years in the making. And here's something amazing. The universe is still expanding. Scientists believe this expansion is even speeding up, driven by something mysterious called dark energy.